1.2km 남았다고? 안녕하세요. Everybody.
Correct. Supple. Supple. And one more. Three. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Where is the column? Column. Yes. Where's the?
So this type is what we call antelope. Because the pattern is like that, it's like the antelope thing. So this is like the antelope and sophia.
Okay. So supple is this and this, correct?
Sample is
This
this one
and
is
this.
second one. This one is second
You
one.
say this 1, 2, 3, correct?
Yeah, so these are the pattern. One, two, plus the lip.
Yeah. Supple is 1, 2, 3.
And the other three are the sample.
Column. Ah, very good, Sammy. The lip like that, how to extend so that.
불러 누구야?
It rides long time.
다시 원, 투, 쓰리 봐주세요 여기.
Wait.
현재부터
보면은 라스트 보세요. 내가요. 내가 보여줄 일 없을 겁니다.
아, 오케이, 오케이.
심장 그리고 있네. 어? 생각. 나 내가 심장 배달 내가 그거 안 치고 심장 그리고 모르고. 여기 컨셉트를 해줘. 진짜로 생각해. 이거 팬데 이거 진짜 몰라서 이거 이게 없어요. 근데 이거.
아니, 이거 영화 진짜 영화 아니야?
레이스 아니다. 이거 잘했다.
그러니까요.
레이스 아니다. 진짜 저기요.
색칠 괜찮아진다.
아 이거 진짜 저기 진짜 아니지 이거는.
내가 아무리 가봐도 내가 나이스 아무리 가봤어.
아무 색칠은 없는데. 너무 심하게 가야 되니까.
그냥 돼, 그냥.
Hi, my name is Violet and I am 16 years old. Today I went to the Orchid garden. A teacher explained us many different flowers. Among the flowers, there is a plant that its root is grow up to sky. It was very interesting, but I can't remember its name. Because of its name, interesting flower is memory of Princess Diana. I don't know who is she, Diana, but I can imagine her. There are many pretty plants, but it was very hot, so I went to visit this garden again in winter.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, my name is Lucia. I'm 14 years old. I want I went Orchid Garden. There are many orchids in here. Many kind of orchids are interesting, and they live in the ground, tree, and stone. I like purple one because it is colorful. I feel peaceful because of it. I want to visit this garden. I want to visit this garden.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
My name is James and I am 14 years old. I like the dendrobium mati the most in orchid garden. Flowers in orchid garden are beautiful and smells good. This is an interesting. Here is an interesting place to see many varieties. I saw flowers such as dendrobium margaret Thatcher
Yes.
and dendrobium king west3 and dendrobium rogio roa deuteri.
All the scientific names is very good.
And I think these names are inspired by some people who did great things like Barack Obama and Michelle Obama.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
I am 12 years old. I am from Daegu in Korea. I went to botanic garden today. There are many flowers. I like all flowers because they are pretty. I learned peaches, sapphire, column, silk, and leaf of
The
flowers.
different parts of the flowers. Good.
It is my first time to learn, so I am excited. I love to come back here again in my future.
Thank you. Thank you, Nicole.
Hello, my name is Sally. I am 12 years old. I am from Korea. Today I went to garden. There are many trees and plants. I saw very pretty plants and flowers. I shy big summer ornament is the most that I love because this flower is lots of purple color and pink color. My favorite color is purple, so I like this flower. This flower divides petals, sepal, column, silks, and leaf. Then this flower is very beautiful, and everyone loves this flower maybe. And this place is very exciting. That's all. Thank you for listening.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jasmine. I am 12 years old. I am from Korea. I went to botanic garden. There are many orchids, and there is very hot. But I like orchids because it is very beautiful. So I take many pictures, and I run fit tests, sepal, color, silk, and leaf. It is very interesting. I want to visit this garden. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, I'm Elsa. I'm 14 years old. I'm from Korea. I went to the botanic garden. I saw many flowers. Flowers are very colorful and beautiful. So I took many pictures of flowers. I chose this flower because it looks easy, but it was difficult because it has many leaves. Everything was good, but I don't want to visit here again because it was so hot. Thank you for listening.
Okay.
My name is Alex. I am 14 years old. I like dendrobium mati. It is very beautiful and smells good.
Oh, the orchid garden
Orchid garden is
is an interesting place.
It's an interesting place to see
Many varieties.
because there are many beautiful flowers. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is RS. I'm 14 years old. I draw dendrobium musabin dasar airnison. It is very colorful and very beautiful flower. I love it, so I chose this flower, and I went to orchid
garden.
Orchid garden. It has many beautiful and nice flowers. While I'm hiking, I was very tired, but I like their plants, and I'm very happy. Thank you.
Thank you.